It's 16.
Yeah. Hey, Eden. Day 1, Bohol.
Pangigi mo, nagtilaw kayo. Suba-suba sa the place dagat ba yun? Lami kayo. Tara, exotic man.
Santok na ako.
Bay, sa kanwing, kuwan bay. Plano bay.
Ayun yung mopo.
Tulo tayo.
Paul. Ha?
Basta mo, Paul?
Oo. Bibili lang ako ng nung isang boteng suka to. Oo. Nagsiyagat ako Maynila.
Kamu na yan, kamu na yan.
Ikaw.
Palipapa lang ako.
Doon pa, 14. 5 pa lang to.
Welcome aboard Cebu Pacific. Make first moments happy.
Update ang inyong cabin crew.
Ang tagal naman nila.
Hello, Bohol. Welcome to Bohol. Hi, Ma'am Sir. Welcome to Bohol. Welcome to Bohol, Ma'am Sir. Sir, gusto niyo po ng tarsier, ma'am? Tarsier?
Makita na ko ang igsuno niya.
Ito ang tsokolating burol. First meal sa Bohol.
Kami kayo doon to sa ba?
So, dito sa Chocolate Hills, wala ang parking sa taas. So, dito ka mag-park. Magkano din? 100.
100 pesos ang entrance. Then,
Free na yung
free na
parking.
yung parking sa
Saka
shuttle
shuttle.
pataas. Papunta dun sa mismo.
Ito yung parking. Sana hindi umulan. Medyo makulimlim. So, nakasakay na kami ng shuttle. Parang nag-take yata ng 15 minutes. No? Magantay na. Nasa 15 minutes kasi kailangan ko magbaba. Saka ito yung galing sa babalik. 12 and plus trans plus contact.
Balik ko kayo.
Kasi hindi ko na matuyan.
Everything just faded away. Tell me what we still have and going on tonight. Suddenly my dreams waves flow.
I know.
Tell me where we are.
Yan o.
Just living your life. Living your life.
So dito kami sa tertiary conservation area. Ha?
Ang
Bawal
entry is 170 for regular guests.
So ito yung una oh. Malaking tarsier. So itong ticket na to is worth 170 pesos. So if you're a nature lover din, maganda din dito. And malamig. Tarsier this way.
Tanggalin mo yung shades mo.
Anong expectation mo sa tarsier?
Sweater that you wore when you were still so fresh.
Uy, grabe.
Tell me, love, did you ever think that this thing would ever end? Yes,
Selfie sticks are strictly prohibited. Sorry, ibaba ko na.
Lie to me. Tell me that you always thought goodbye was sweet. Cause we always knew it wasn't true. So baby, like just one more night. Lie to me. Tell me that you always thought goodbye was sweet. Cause we always knew it wasn't true. So baby, like just one more night.
Tapos malaki din yung pagkaan.
Ganito ba yan?
Remember when I held you and I said this feels like home. You gave me that look like you and that book know this happens to
Ang pinagmulan bago naging tao.
me at the time I found out.
Kuya Eric na kayo.
Oh, we couldn't figure out a way to say goodbye. I had to hate you just to lose you. That wondering stay one more.
Alam niyo ba,
Lie to me.
dito ako.
Tell me that you
Isa sa
always
pinakamaganda sa pagpunta dito sa Puro is libre ang parking.
Saka nakakita ng gano'n libre parking. Bayad mo lang entrance.
Sa ibang probinsya, pagpasok mo pa lang ng Arco,
May
may 10
environmental.
piso, kaya 20 pesos lang for environmental. Dito wala. Then yung parking, libre. Hindi ko sinasabing lahat kasi hindi pa namin napupunta lahat. Pero sa ngayon, yung mga napupuntahan namin, lahat ng parking is free. Kaya ang talagang ang babayaran mo lang is yung entrance fee lang sa
Ganda pa ng kalsada nila dito.